Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you get that gut feeling that something isn't right and you just don't feel safe? Maybe it's when you are walking or jogging alone, getting into your car at night, or even being in an unfamiliar area. Are you looking for a simple and effective way to learn how to protect yourselves and those you care about, but can't seem to find the time to fit it into your busy schedule or your on-the-go lifestyle? We have the solution for you. Safety education, self-defense instruction, and safety tools at your fingertips. You can learn and practice with a family or a friend with everything you need in one convenient kit to become empowered and stay safe while at home, school, work, or from any location. My name is Lisa Johnson. I'm a registered nurse and certified safety defense instructor. I realized after years of teaching safety instruction that I needed to find an easy and more convenient way for others to learn how to protect themselves with all the tools in one simple kit. I will help to transform you into your own fearless female who is strong, confident, and empowered. The Fearless Female Personal Safety Empowerment System includes a variety of safety tools, and I'd like to walk you through the kit contents. First of all, there's a virtual self-defense instruction video that you can follow along with easily at home. And we've included focus mitts to help enhance that virtual experience. The kit also includes a Fearless Female hat, a Kitty Defender keychain and carry case, an LED flashlight, a portable safety door lock, a paracord safety bracelet, a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter, a Fearless Female mask, a personal safety alarm, and a Fearless Female safety reflector bag in which you can carry all your contents. You have everything you need in one kit to feel confident and to stay safe and to become your own fearless female. Click now on the link below to get empowered to stay safe with your own Fearless Female Personal Safety Empowerment System, or send the gift of safety to your family or friend. You can also go to our website at www.fearlessfemale.net to start your transformation. I can't wait for you to see your own results as you become strong, confident, and fearless.